So I've got a deck of cards which are runes. Let's open them. Okay. Still have to open this. And here is the deck of cards. Let's open this. So I'm unboxing that deck of power of runes here in the yard. This is my hand. So let's remove the plastic. And now we have this box. So it comes in a small box which has to be opened like so. And then comes again packaging, which is annoying, but wait. So here is finally it has booklet with explanation of each card, and here is the deck of cards. So I show you how we look runes cards. So this is first one, which is Runa Fehu. Here it says the script for it. Here's the symbol, the number in card, symbol. This is actual one, and this is just letter Fehu in normal alphabet. Then second one is Orus, Runa, runes card Orus. Third one Dorisas, Ansus. This is Raido. This is Canas rune. The back looks like this. They are not that thick cards. I thought they would be thick, but they kind of big when it comes to size. My hand is like this, and they are almost the size of hand. This is Runa Gebo rune, which often means love, gift, exchange of energy, like on the picture. This is Bunyo, which is card of happiness, party, or joy, which shows also on the picture. This is rune of rune Hagal, which is some energy like thunder energy. It's not that positive, rather. This also is rather not positive card. Now this, which also is shown on the picture, which often means troubles or some troubles. This is rune Isa. This is Yera, 12 rune. Then we have 13 rune is evils. Evils, which also is not super positive. Then Pertro, which is often here. Pertro. So Pertro. Next card is next card is Algis. Next card is Algis, which is a card like powers of like angels or some protection. Next card is Sovello, Sun. Ventivas, Berkano, which is symbol of woman or pregnancy. In marriages it means also like happy marriage. This is card rune Echvas, which is symbol of, for example, relation. Might be relationship among people or relation in job. Next card is rune Mannas, which can also mean relation, or it might mean some like more office or even courts or marriage that is made in office or church. This is rune called Lagos, which what shows on picture means like beginning of something, like even might mean pregnancy, but sometimes it means that something evolving and it's hidden and it's still not yet grown. Next rune is rune Ingvas. Ingvas means that something is also not fully evolved, something hidden behind or in ground. Like for example, here on picture it shows that it might be not yet fully ready. Rune is called Dagas, which means hope, and it's positive, new beginning, like changes for better. Next rune is called Odala, which means home or perfect or place, like safe place, like family, something that is your home, or like nice and safe place. And last 25th card is empty rune called Vert, which is like empty card. It says sometimes when it's shown in the deck, it means that it's not yet time to know, or the drones don't want to answer the question, or then the outcome might be still not yet fully, like it might be changes still and might be not yet recognized. And I show you also how it looks, this thing, booklet. Alphabet, runes, alphabet. What are the runes and where do they come from? Here, and then another one here. And here is casting system. So you can do a single card read, and you can do the free cards. Simple cross. This like meaning you have the nature of a problem, what you should not do, then what you should do, and where the heading a good result. I can try it later. That's nice, because I didn't know all those. Because I knew the free ones or also some other. Here is the runic cross. So this you pick 6 cards, and then here is how it should be. And what the meanings are. Okay, then here it should be what each runes mean. So here the mean Rose rune. So this meaning means health, success, growth. Then it's like will of act, protection. Answers means wisdom, inspiration. Books about the rose, and it was like more explanation, so maybe also online you have many sites where they say more about each card. And here is also some other explanations. So rune right. Canon means flame, control firelight in darkness. Means gift, exchange, unification. Vonia means happiness, joy. Hakal means growth, flourishing, new possibility, balance of forces, hail. Now this means neatness. Isa means ice cold, stagnation. Yera means season, harvest, then Echvas. The rune Petra means dice cup, fate. Evas means elk. Swan, protection, lung. Sovello means sun, will, light, energy, well. Rune Berka, birch, breast, female sexuality. Echvas, horse, motion, samanas, humanity, marriage of heaven and earth. Lagos, creativity, river of life, emotional, subconscious. Ingvas, protection, fermentation, growth, patience, ritual, fire, awakening. Odala means inherited property, land, possession, home, roots. So yeah, that was unboxing of Power of Runes deck of cards and a little bit meaning and how they look like. So yeah, that's what I've got, and I will do some questions with it, because I have other power. I have other deck, but without pictures, and it's just symbols, and I like this one better. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one. I will also do unboxing of video with other cards, which will be different ones, and I've got them on Amazon. So stay tuned and see you later. Bye.